It's about January 7th, 2022. We're just finishing up a pretty big storm. Nice day out today, but here's our path to our house. We're getting stuff dug out a little bit at a time. I think that people are making more out of this than there really is. We got this car dug out yesterday. That's my pickup. We're just going to leave that there for a little bit until we find some more room to put snow. I made a few paths around here with the snow blower and shoveling. Pretty interesting. I guess there's probably like 51 inches. We've got some stuff we need to dig out of here, but we can't get in there yet. We'll get there though. All that snow you see piled up out there going up to the windows is slid off our roof. It's only up to the bottom of the windows. It's not that bad. I've seen it at the top of the windows before. So really, not that big a deal. Okay, here's the back. You can get a better look at the snow that fell off the roof. I guess it's pretty deep. That's a 6-foot fence over there. It's just about up to the top of it in places. And a little bit of wind came in. I'm trying to keep this as clear as possible just so I can walk around, but here, this is a nice little shot of the alley. Snow berm. We're going to make a little clearing here today and try to get a couple of these cars out. So let me climb up here and kind of see where we're supposed to drive here, which is, they just did this morning. I guess it's maybe about 5 feet tall in here, just a trench to drive through. Pretty cool though. I won't see this again for another 30 years or so. So we're all responsible for cutting our own path through here. Neighbors have already done theirs. But you can see here's some other cars at Saul and Ginny's house. Just buried. Who knows? A few days it'll be back to normal. We're all doing good though. Hasn't been that much suffering. Town's been having fun. People have been riding snowmobiles and skiing to the store and having fun. Here's one of my workers. Oh, no, wait, that's Celia. How you doing? Pretty good, huh? Can you hear me? There's the kids' side of the house. All the snow buried up to the windows on this side too. But boy, what a beautiful day. Couldn't be better. I love it. Well, we've been working pretty much all day on the snow. Got both cars dug out and a place to drive out the alley. The city plowed us out. You saw that earlier. That's what it's looking like now. Anyway, that's going to probably be it for the video of Snowmageddon 2022.